Welcome to Project Insight. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to enter and submit your expense reports. To begin, you're going to navigate to your Expenses tab. This is where all your expense reports, both submitted and unsubmitted, live. To add a new expense, you're going to click Add Expense. On the expense page, you can optionally add a description, and the company, project, and task fields help to narrow down where the expense is from. The expense codes will be designated by your administrators. You can select the quantity, unit price, or just skip to the actual cost. You'll then select the date of the expense, and you can mark whether it's reimbursable or not. Once you've created your expense, you'll click Save, and by clicking Worksheet, you can view all of your entered expenses for the current expense report. You can also add new expenses through inline editing. You can also upload a receipt by clicking this receipt icon under the admin column, and this allows you to upload the file that contains your receipt. Once your expense report is created, you'll click Submit Expense Report, select the date range of your expense report. By clicking Dynamic Dates, it'll automatically select the current month, add the name of the expense report, and finally select who the expense report will be submitted to for approval. Once created, you'll click Save, and your expense report will be submitted. Now back on the home screen, you can see your expense report history, as well as expense reports awaiting approval. For more information on expenses in Project Insight, including how to manage them from an admin's perspective, you can refer to our existing documentation and videos on the subject.